Hey everybody, Corey Breed with Vent Cap Systems and Duct Ninja. I've got an update on the Duct Ninja that's shipping now, ready to go. In your box, you're gonna get this and a flange with a sheet attached to it. There's a little pole mount on that flange, which I'll show you where that's gonna go in a second. And then you've got this wrapped in a piece of Velcro. Drop that out. This is single piece right here is your support beam. Oops. So go ahead and take that one to the side, and then the rest of it couldn't be any easier. It just opens up, all connected, and you're gonna put this one corner in yourself. So now you've got rigid sides, and at this point you're gonna wanna take this one off and run this support beam through your pole mount, which is attached to the flange, which is attached to the sheet. And so that's gonna slide on there, it locks into place. I would just leave that on there forever. It'll fold up and that'll fit in your bag too. And then, so you're gonna come up, once you have the frame constructed, you're gonna come up here and just sort of slide these in here, which gives you enough control to grab it and put it right up against the ceiling. It's gonna sit right up here. These bars aren't gonna be flush with it, and you don't wanna tape or tighten down. You don't want this sheet to be taut. You want it just draped over the side. You're gonna hold it up there. Once you turn on the fan, it's just gonna get sucked up into there and it's gonna fill every hole on that grill. I mean, you're not gonna believe how fast, and better than the tape. Every time, 100% reusable from the ground, no tape waste. And then when you're done, take this off. That'll hopefully fit in your bag. Undo the one corner. Drop it together. Do a little adjust in there. And voila. Instead of carrying your ladder around and your duct blaster bag and all that kind of stuff, put this in the bag, carry it in, be done in no time. Saving tape, saving money. Get yours today.